Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about the difference versus the Lux Adapt Soft versus the Lux Breeze Soft right here. This bad boy, it's the cameraman's favorite mattress right here, so I'm going to be sure not to mess this up. So Lux Adapt Soft has the APR Plus material. If you saw the video that I did with Pro Adapt Soft versus Lux Adapt Soft, you can get all the information. But I'm ultimately going to focus on the difference that it has between this guy. First of all, if you look at the POP, come over here, Garrett. Come on, buddy. You'll see right here, 8 degrees cooler. You can understand in the title of the mattress, Lux Breeze, that it's probably going to be a rather cold mattress. So this is 8 degrees colder than its mattress right here. It has the CM Plus, which is a comfort material that is ventilated, so it brings humidity and it traps it under the cover, and it dissipates it through the airflow. On top of the fact that this has APR Plus, so does this, but it has APR Plus and it's ventilated, so it has a bunch of holes punctured into it, again, to help with the airflow. This thing will keep you 8 degrees cooler through the entire night, all night long. 8 degrees cooler than this guy right here. It comes for a cool $1,000 more, but if you're a hot sleeper, then you're definitely going to want to get the Lux Breeze. The Lux Breeze is the most advanced mattress on our floor as far as cooling goes. If cooling's not a big deal to you, you still get some cooling properties out of this guy. You get great airflow, you get a cooling cover, you get twice the cooling as any bed on the floor. But if you really sleep hot, and that's a big important part, you might as well make the investment, because this bed's going to be in your bedroom for 10 to 15 years because of the technology, which is far superior than anything we have on our floor. So that's the difference between Lux Breeze and Lux Adapt Soft. If you have any other questions, put them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.